Yes, next topic we are going to see is about mean free path. So what is meant by mean free path is already we consider that there are so many molecules which we consider, and each molecule will move at the different speed and they move in the different direction. So this we have seen already, is it not? So when we see this, and we can also say that each molecule collide against each other, is it not? So between the collision, how much is the distance traveled by each molecule? If you consider that, that is said to be the mean free path. So average distance traveled by the molecule between collisions. Okay, so ஒரு collisionக்கும் இன்னொரு collisionக்கும் நடுவுல அந்த ஒரு molecule வந்து எவ்வளோ distance travel ஆகுது. Okay, if we see that, that is said to be what? Mean free path. We can calculate the mean free path based on the kinetic theory. Okay, from the postulates of kinetic theory, that the molecules of the gas are in the random motion and they collide with each other. So what is the postulate is they move in the random motion and also they collide with each other, it's not? So between two successive collision, a molecule moves in a straight line with a uniform velocity. So இது ஒரு collision. நெக்ஸ்ட் இது ஒரு கொலிஷன் அப்படின்னா இந்த ரெண்டு கொலிஷனுக்கு நடுவில் ஒரு மாலிகுல் என்ன பண்ணுது, ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன்ல மூவ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, அண்ட் திஸ் பாத் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் அ மீன் ஃப்ரீ பாத். ஸோ அந்த பாத்தில் எப்படி மூவ் ஆகுதோ அது பேர் தான் என்னது, மீன் ஃப்ரீ பாத் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, கன்சிடர் a system of molecule each with a diameter d. So this is a system of molecule and it has a diameter d. N be the number of molecules per unit volume. So ஒரு வால்யூம்லயும் இருக்கிற number of molecules என்ன n வச்சுக்கிறோம். Assume that only one molecule is in the motion and all the others are at rest. Okay, so எல்லா moleculeமே ரெஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு, ஒரே ஒரு molecule மட்டும் மூவ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஓகே, next is if a molecule moves with an average velocity v in a time t. So நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அந்த molecule வந்து average velocity v லையும் time t லையும் மூவ் ஆச்சுனா, then the distance is equal to what? Velocity into time taken. Okay, so we are writing as v into t. So distance traveled is vt. In this time t, consider the molecule to move in an imaginary cylinder. So இதுல வந்து என்ன எதுல மூவ் ஆகுது, நம்ம வந்து இது ஒரு சிலிண்டரா கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஸோ இது என்ன பண்ணுது, ஒரு சிலிண்டர்ல மூவ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஸோ இட் ஹேஸ் அ வால்யூம் ஆஃப் பை d square v into t. Okay, so it is given by pi d square v t. So it collides with any other molecule whose center is within the cylinder. So அதோட center வந்து இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கிற சிலிண்டர்ல என்ன ஆகும், ஹிட் ஆகும். ஸோ இதுல ஹிட் ஆகும், இதுல இதுல இதுல, ஏன்னா சென்டர் எல்லாம் உள்ள இருக்கு. ஆனா இதுல பாருங்க சென்டர்லாம் வெளியே இருக்கு, இதுலயும் சென்டர் வெளியே, ஸோ இதுலயும் சென்டர் வெளியே. ஸோ இதுலலாம் ஹிட் ஆகாது. ஓகே, சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் எது வந்து இந்த சிலிண்டருக்குள்ள இருக்கோ அதுல மட்டும்தான் ஹிட் ஆகும். ஓகே, therefore number of collisions is equal to the number of molecules in the volume. ஓகே, ஸோ எத்தனை நம்பர் ஆஃப் மாலிகுல்ஸ் இருக்கோ அத்தனை நம்பர் ஆஃப் collisions நடக்கும். அப்போ அது ஈக்குவல் டு என்னது, பை டி ஸ்கொயர் விடி இன்டூ என். So total path length divided by the number of collisions in a time t is the mean free path. So in the total divided by the number of time. Okay, so this total divided by the number of time, that gives a mean free path அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, so this total divided by the time taken. Okay, and so lambda, which is the mean free path, that is given by distance traveled divided by time taken. Distance traveled we have seen as vt divided by n pi d square vt. Okay, now vt get cancelled and so we get 1 divided by n pi into d square. Here, since not that all the molecules will collide, we said that only very few molecules which are inside, which has a center inside, will collide. Is it not? And so we consider that to be root 2, and so we are writing this as 1 by root 2 n pi into d square. This equation implies that the mean free path is inversely proportional to the number density. Okay, so mean free path is inversely proportional to the number density. So inversely proportional அப்படின்றதுனால number density increases, then collision increases, but what decreases, the distance traveled by the molecule decreases. That is a mean free path. Mean free path என்ன ஆகும், decrease ஆகும் when the number density increases. Okay, first case 1, if you just rearrange the equation by m, so multiplying and dividing by m. Okay, so if you multiply and divide by m, then instead of this mn can be written as rho, because that is a density. Next, what is the ideal gas equation is PV is equal to N K into T. Okay, now bring this V down. So we get N divided by V KT. This N by V can be written as what? Small n. So small n K into T. From this, if we need the value of N alone, bring this KT down. Okay, so we get N is equal to P divided by KT. Okay, so this value of N and this value of rho. Okay, if you are going to substitute it here, yes, and so we get P divided by KT, yes, and this is root of 2 pi into d square. Okay, so this is the value of the mean free path of the particle. This mean free path, this increases with the increasing temperature, because it is directly proportional to the temperature, is it not? And so it increases with the increasing temperature. So as temperature increases, speed also increases. It is the reason why the smell of hot sizzling food reaches several meters away than the smell of cold food. So we know that when you have a hot food, the smell of that reaches a very long distance than the smell of the hot food. Cold food, is it not? Because there the temperature is high. Since the temperature is what? Hot. Okay, so since it is high, it can move to a larger distance. That is what mean free path. Okay, and next is mean free path increases with the decreasing of pressure, because lambda is inversely proportional to the pressure, is it not? Because here is lambda, this is pressure, so this increases with a decreasing pressure. Yes, pressure of the gas, and also the diameter is d. Okay, so if this also should decrease. Clear? So these are the factors that mean free path depends on. Okay, thank you.